We welcome you to the exciting world of Amway. In this module, we will cover some key aspects about the Amway products and business. So let's start understanding Amway. Some of the salient features of the Amway business are: there's no cost to join the Amway business. Amway provides free training to all new joinees. There's no minimum purchase requirement to participate in the Amway business. All Amway products come with a money-back guarantee for 100% satisfaction of use. In addition, all new joinees are also provided a cooling-off period for 90 days from the date of joining. During this period, should you decide to exit the business, you will be eligible to return and get full refund for the products and material purchased from Amway. For more details, you can also visit www.amway.in. Amway was founded in 1959 and is now a market leader in direct sales globally and in India. It is present in more than 100 countries and territories including the US, China, India, Russia, Japan, Korea, Thailand, Europe and Australia. Amway provides unparalleled business opportunity to entrepreneurs to own and operate their own business. Amway manufactures over 500 nutrition, beauty and home products globally, which are retailed by millions of Amway distributors across the world. Let's look at some significant milestones of Amway. The company has a global turnover of $9.5 billion. Amway has over 1,150 patents and more than 500 patents pending. Amway has paid the highest amount of bonuses and incentives to its distributors than any other direct selling company in the world. Now let's learn something about Amway India. Amway has been operational in India since 1998 and has a turnover of over 2,000 crores. It sells over 130 world-class products in the nutrition, beauty, home care and personal care categories. Amway has significantly invested to create a large infrastructure with over 130 offices across India and services to 11,000 PIN codes for home delivery. Amway India has invested over 550 crore rupees to set up its own state-of-the-art manufacturing plant to augment the existing manufacturing base. It is also leveraging the digital technology and over one-third of the sales is via www.amway.in and this percentage is growing steadily. Amway's manufacturing plant is among the first in India to comply with the most stringent international environment standards, and Amway is working towards a cleaner environment. We are also working towards women's empowerment and nearly two-thirds of our active distributors are women. Amway India is also working towards digitalization, and all the payments made to the distributors are made directly to their respective bank accounts. Amway India has more than 130 products in the nutrition, beauty, home care and personal care categories. Amway's Nutralite is the world's #1 selling vitamins and dietary supplements brand. Artistry is another Amway brand that is among the world's top 5 largest selling premium skincare brands. As an Amway distributor, you can earn money by retailing Amway products to the consumers. You can also register consumers as your preferred customer who can order and receive products directly through Amway. You can also introduce new people to the business and create a sales team that can replicate the above activities and earn money. In the Amway business, you can earn money, get recognition, and also get invitation for business trips by selling quality Amway products. The first way that you can earn money in the Amway business is through retail margin, which is the difference between your selling price and your purchase price, also known as DAP. As an Amway distributor, you determine the price you charge up to maximum retail price or MRP for the products. When you sell products to consumers above DAP, you keep the retail margin. The second way that you can earn money is through trade discount given to Amway distributors when they purchase products from Amway for retailing. The third way to earn money is through the ABO sales plan. Amway offers an attractive reward program to recognize and reward your hard work and achievements. You generate points on products purchased to resell. The commissions that Amway gives are based on the points generated through product sales by you and the sales team that you may build. There are various types of commissions that can be earned. As mentioned earlier, you generate points on products purchased to resell. The more products you resell, the more points you generate, the more commission you earn. For example, if you and your sales team generate 100 points, you get a monthly commission of 6%. If you and your team generate 500 points, you get a monthly commission of 9%. The percentage commission increases as you generate more points and goes up to 21%. Your success is seen by your customers and others, and they may also want to join as Amway distributors. You can make them a part of your sales team and they can replicate your selling efforts to earn money. However, it's important to know that commissions only get generated when you resell Amway products. Amway does not pay any commission for the sheer act of building the sales team without any product sales. The screen shows an example where you have achieved 6% commission level in the Amway business and have a sales team and some preferred customer. You have sold products worth 50 points. And your team has team members A and B who have sold products of 50 and 60 points respectively. You have also some preferred customers or PCs who have bought products worth 10 points. Your total team points are 170. The commissions that you earn are personal performance commission, which is for the points that you have earned, and sales commission, which is for the points that your team has earned. Along with that, you also earn the retail profit and the trade discounts for eligible orders. In this case, the total earnings are 1,208 rupees, excluding the trade discount that you get. Amway also has activation offers for new distributors, which may change from time to time to stay relevant. In this example, you as a new distributor qualify for the first purchase offer as you have purchased products worth 50 points, and under this offer can get products worth 1,139 rupees for 1 rupee. For more details on the first purchase offer, please visit www.amway.in. In this example, you have reached the 9% level as you and your team has earned 530 team points. The personal performance commission that you earn is 1,026 rupees. The sales commission that you earn is 1,345 rupees. And the retail's profit that you earn is 1,299 rupees. So the total earnings are 3,670 rupees excluding trade discounts. Amway also has a special offer for the new 9% level achievers, which may change from time to time to stay relevant. In this example, you as a new distributor who has reached the 9% level and have a team which is 6% or above, you are eligible to avail the step-up offer in which you can get 1,000 rupees cashback. For more details on the step-up offer, please visit www.amway.in. In this example, you have reached the 12% level as you and your team has earned 1,530 team points. The personal performance commission that you earn is 912 rupees. The sales commission that you earn is 4,970 rupees. And the retail's profit that you earn is 866 rupees. So the total earnings are 6,748 rupees, excluding trade discounts. When you reach the 12% level and meet certain criteria, you are also invited to a Young Achievers workshop conducted by Amway. You can reach 15% commission level in the business if you have earned more than 4,000 team points. In this example, you and your team have earned 4,040 points. Therefore, you have reached the 15% commission level. Here, your total earnings are 19,517 rupees excluding trade discounts, that is 1,491 rupees. When you reach the 15% level and meet certain criteria, you are invited to a Star 15% Recognition Forum conducted by Amway. You can reach the 21% commission level in the business by earnings more than 10,000 team points. In this example, you have reached the 21% commission level as you and your team have earned 10,828 points. Your total earnings in this example are 73,284 rupees excluding trade discounts, which is 1,695 rupees. When you reach the 21% level and meet certain criteria, you are invited to a Silver Forum conducted by Amway. As shown in the table on the screen, you can qualify as a Silver producer by earning 10,000 team points in a calendar month. If you have 3 such months during a period of 12 months, you become a Gold producer. You qualify as a new Platinum by maintaining 6 Silver producer months for 6 months, 3 of which must be consecutive within the most recent 12-month period. As you grow your business, you are also responsible for mentoring and coaching your teams to grow. The next levels in the business can be achieved based on the number of teams that you have who qualify for these levels. For example, an Emerald level can be reached by having 3 sales teams under you that have qualified at 21% level for at least 6 months in a performance year. Similarly, the Diamond level can be reached by having 6 such teams under you. When any of the achievements mentioned earlier is attained for 12 months in a performance year, it is called a Founder's Qualification. For more details on achievement levels and commissions, please refer to amway.in. Contact the nearest Amway office or the Amway distributor who spoke to you about the Amway business. With Amway, you can earn money based on your work. The more you work, the more you earn. Here are some examples of the income opportunities that you get when you join the Amway business. These incomes are actual average incomes earned in the performance year September 2014 to August 2015 and exclude retail income, trade discount and other sales incentives. As you grow your Amway business, you can reach new achievement levels associated with greater rewards. You can get there by helping your team to increase their sales turnover and productivity of their groups. As mentioned earlier, you can earn the retail margin, trade discount and personal performance commission for the products sold by you and earn the sales commission for the products sold by your team. In addition to that, you can also earn enhanced sales commission, group development commission, leadership development commission, higher achievement commission, one-time cash award and Founders Achievement Award commission. Amway India also invites you to various seminars and forums in and out of India based on your level of achievement in the business. The New Platinum Forum is a business seminar that is held in a foreign location. You are invited to attend this forum if you achieve 6 Silver producer months in a performance year, out of which 3 months are consecutive. Amway India also conducts the Amway Business Leadership Seminar each year at a foreign location. You can be a part of this seminar if you meet the qualification criteria for the seminar. In addition to that, Amway India also conducts Diamond invitational trips for the Diamond qualifiers in the business. These trips are held at different foreign locations each year. For more details, please visit www.amway.in. So here are some of the top reasons you may consider joining the Amway business. Amway has some of the world-class and reliable quality products that you sell to the consumers. The rewards commensurate to performance for over 50 years across the globe. In the Amway business, sky is the limit to earn income based on your hard work and efforts. The Amway business is an equal opportunity business, and people from all walks of life, any educational or economic background can take up the business and succeed. Amway business provides flexibility. You can work when you want to, how you want, and from where you want. Your Amway business can also be your legacy business, and you can transfer the business to your children. The Amway business helps you with your personal development. You can develop yourself as you develop others. In this business, your achievements are recognized through different platforms. The Amway business provides you the opportunity to travel around the world as you are invited to various business seminars based on your achievements. And last but not the least, you are never alone in the Amway business. You always get support from your sales team and Amway. When you join the Amway business, we provide you digital support through the Amway app and website, provide you education and training both offline and online, and are available to answer your queries through our call center and through Amway.in. We also have stores and warehouses spread across the country to support your business and to deliver products directly to your home. Social responsibility and cost championship is an integral part of Amway India ethos since its inception in 1998 and has been crafted to constructively and consistently give back to the society and contribute to the social well-being. Amway India's CSR initiatives are based on the belief that social responsibility is much more than the incurrence of a cost or a resource or a charitable or philanthropic act of social benefit. Some of the projects that Amway India has completed under the CSR initiatives are National Project for the Visually Impaired. Under this project, Amway has taken various initiatives to support the cause of visually impaired people. Project Sunrise. Under this project, Amway supports less privileged children in the area of education, health, and hygiene by working with more than 15 NGOs across the country. Village Health Program. The objective of this project is to provide quality health care to underprivileged people in 26 villages under the Dindigul district near Madurai. Water Conservation Project. The objective of this project is to improve the groundwater level in 7 villages under the Dindigul district near Madurai. To summarize, Amway business is free to join. Amway products come with money-back guarantee for 100% satisfaction of use. New joinees are provided cooling off period of 90 days. You earn on the sale of Amway products. No sale, no commissions. The sheer act of sponsoring doesn't generate any income for any distributor. Scenarios of how Amway's sales plan works and potential income earning at different achievement levels. This session provides complete clarity on the Amway business, including how to earn in Amway business. You now need to complete the following steps to become an Amway distributor. 1. Click Become an ABO link on the Amway homepage. 2. Fill in your details in the Direct Seller application form. 3. Submit the required documents and the duly filled in Direct Seller application form. 4. Once the same is accepted and approved, you become an Amway direct seller.